Let's try it out. Power.
So if you have a car like that where it has power, but as soon as you turn the key, it goes completely dead, chances are you have a bad ground. And 9 times out of 10, it's probably a bad connection at the battery. And the only reason why I know that is because I come across this all the time, especially after somebody replaces their battery. I get a call out there because their car won't start, but they just replaced their battery, so it's not the battery. And this is definitely something that comes along with experience, so I think he did a great job in that video. He obviously figured out what was actually wrong with it. But a couple things that you want to look for. Anytime it's something electrical, period, the first thing that you always want to do is check the connections at the battery. And when I say check the connections at the battery, I'm not talking about just the post. A lot of these newer cars have that big, like, kind of plastic plate that goes across it that has a bunch of fuses in it and all that kind of stuff. You got to check out the connections on all of those, because trust me, I've seen it several times where I've chased my own tail trying to figure out why a car wouldn't start. Ended up being just a bad connection on that little plastic plate that goes across it. Because in that situation, I checked just the terminal connections and not the connections on that plastic plate. But great job, man, on the repair, because you are crushing it. Keep it up. I love watching what you're doing. And anybody else watching this, go give them a follow.